Hey team, Dr. Josh Wagner here with Patient Mastery, where we help awesome chiropractors become the go-to doc in town, your best retention, your best collections ever with more time off. I'm about 9 days away from our upcoming member intensive in Dallas, where we're going to be honing down on care continuation and reactivations, the strategies for your CAs, the strategies for the DCs, and the mindset behind it. In this video, we're not going to be talking about care continuation and reactivations. We're going to be talking about a much bigger concept. And real quick, your practice is determined on how many people start care with you, pay you, and follow your recommendations. The end results are people get better, people refer, people consider you their chiropractor for life, even if they don't have an active appointment, always on the books. But that's the foundation, even before new patient attraction. Because if you're focused on new patient attraction, and 90+% of your patients are starting care, paying you, referring, following your recommendations, considering you their chiro for life, you're just doing the age-old, hitting your head against the wall, trying to get 20, 30, 40 new patients a month, every single month, while your practice stays at the same level. And that's no fun. That's 80s and 90s chiropractic. So here's the main difference. Hey Greg, good to see you. That changes when you let go of the old strategies, let go of, okay, I just need to throw a lot of stuff against the wall, get as many people in as possible, insurance is gonna pay the rest, and I'm good. I could have my summer house and take vacations. That doesn't exist if you think insurance is gonna build your practice for you. So in those days, chiropractors focused on trying to get patients to understand, accept, and agree with chiropractic, the physiology of the body. Maybe it's hard bone on soft nerve, subluxation. It could be something muscular, myofascial. It doesn't matter. We were taught to have such certainty and conviction in chiropractic, and we thought patients had to understand that. Like, if they knew what we knew, they'd do what we do. But guess what? That didn't work, because as soon as insurance disappeared, patients disappeared. Unless you have this flip of the switch, light bulb wise. When you decide to take your certainty and conviction for chiropractic, and instead of sharing it with patients and trying to get them to agree with it and understand it and accept it, but you hold that in your heart, in your gut, in your mind, and in your hands delivering the adjustment, and you switch your certainty and conviction, instead of about chiropractic or your technique or your modalities or whatever you do, and you switch it to the results that patient is going to get, the difference it's going to make in their life without lying. Lying means telling them something's going to happen and you don't actually know, which is the case with every new patient. But you could bring certainty with honesty, professionalism, and compassion just by using honest words like, here's what I expect is going to happen. And from the patient's perspective, you're telling the truth, you're being honest, but you're bringing an incredible amount of certainty that they don't even hear the word expect. They just hear, this is gonna happen. But guess what? You're being honest. Because when you're not honest, things go wrong on the back end. So realize, when you bring certainty with leadership, professionalism, compassion, kindness to what that patient really wants, which is not learning about chiropractic, not learning about their body, not learning a whole other healthcare paradigm, but you bring certainty to the difference, not having been in pain, not having migraines, being able to sleep through the night, not having a disc issue, what that means in their life. They want to pay you, they want to follow your recommendations, they want to tell other people about you, and they want you to be their chiropractor for life. Now, does that take skill and effort and a process? Like the 6-question consult we teach in Patient Mastery, the 5-step recommendations, how to display your care recommendations, no matter what they are. No cookie cutter care recommendations, one size fits all. That's not healthcare. That's not being genuine. No telling people stuff's gonna happen and you not knowing. Pop and pray. So the first thing you could do right now is switch your certainty from chiropractic to the rest of that patient's life, and the difference it's going to make, and how happy they're going to be them getting back to their life healthy, pain-free, condition-free. And when you just make that switch, you will show up differently. If you want the next steps, like the 6-question consult, the 5-step recommendations, the templates to put your care on, whether you do insurance, cash, or a mix, doesn't matter, we got you. Reach out, send me a message, click ready below, and we will show you what it looks like, and practice will never look the same. So thank you for all the people you help. Thanks for all the time you put in as an amazing chiropractor. Proud to call you a colleague, and look forward to seeing you one day at a patient mastery member intensive, inside the portal, on a group call, on a one-to-one, helping you get to your next level of your best collections in less time and having the most fun in practice. Thanks for all you do.